Africa Content TV.
And a lot of word of encouragement was coming from him. And not only that, he's been very supportive financially. Not only that, he told me, he gave me almost like 30 men to be watching over me. And I must tell you, I have no regret or no reservation in my mind to say that he's been a very caring person. He's been very, very supportive, and he's a good high chief to Oyo Alaafin and the entire Yoruba land. We are proud of you. And one of the things again I'm going to mention to you, a lot of times, maybe when we have disorderliness or maybe fracas or maybe we have a number of our Yoruba people being dislodged. A relevant example to that is what happened in Kwara State. It will come in Kabiyesi. Did you see what is happening in Kwara State? I said, yeah, I can see everything. Kabiyesi, we have to do something. He will call me. And I will say to him, okay, don't worry. I will need to call the governor to rub mind with him and to ask him if we need to provide our men to support, to making sure that our people, the Yoruba people there, are living in peace and harmony. So maybe a couple of times I spoke with the governor, and even recently I met with him too. He encouraged me to do that. I must tell you that having him as the Aare Onakankanfo of Yoruba land is not a regret at all.
Thank you, sir.
He's a good performer, and he's doing his job. He's doing it. So I do follow you, and I can see there's no doubt you have spent a lot of money doing this. You are only doing it on a yearly basis. Àdúrà mi ni fún yín ní pé wọ́n ní àgbẹ̀tò làárọ̀ òkè ráwọ̀ àrò, àlùkò tó lóṣòkè ráwọ̀ oṣù, lékèélékèé tó lẹ́fọ̀kè ráwọ̀ ẹ̀fọ́, láṣẹ ìdùnmọ̀kẹ́ ráwọ̀ òkè yàyé o. So I'm happy to be here tonight. Thank you very much, and I wish everybody a very joyful night, and I pray that you all go back to your different places in peace, but not in pieces. So thank you very much.
Kábíyèsí, ọmọ chief commander Ebenezer Obey, òun ní fọhùn, orí bàbá rẹ̀ níkàlẹ̀ nínú ẹ̀ ṣe ń dùn. Mò ń rọ́mú ni, ṣùgbọ́n ó sì wà níbí nítẹ̀pẹ́. Mo kí bàbá wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. May I call on His Royal Majesty Ọba Dr. Owoade Adesina Kayode. lọ́dọ̀ àwọn bàbá wa wọn ò tó ṣùgbọ́n fọ́tò tá a kọ́kọ́ yà ẹ̀jẹ̀ má bínú kábíyèsí Aláàfin ọmọ ọlọ́jọ́ òbí Ayinba àti olórí Aláàfin ní ká kọ́kọ́ ṣe báyìí náà ẹjọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká sì fún wọn láyè fún ìṣẹ́jú kan ẹjọ́ kábíyèsí ẹjọ́ sà afẹ́ kí àwọn mẹ́rin yìí kọ́kọ́ yà wọ́n ẹjọ́ lẹ́yìn yẹn ẹ jẹ́ kí akẹ́ ẹ̀yìn kẹ́yìn ẹ̀kẹ́ àkókè ẹjọ́. ẹ ṣeun. Ilẹ̀ yìí Oòduà lápè ẹ tẹ̀lé mi láti gbé bí bá ṣe ń pè ẹ máa bẹ́ni náà pé padà ó wò gbọ́ yí ó mi dí
Just
lọ.